Xiaomi debuted the top of the line flagship Xiaomi 13 Ultra in May this year in China. It arrived in the global market earlier this month. The device packs incredible camera performance but is rated number 14 as per DxOMark. It comes with a camera accessory known as Xiaomi 13 Ultra Photography Kit that turns the smartphone into the proper camera. It was available in olive green color, now it gets a new white color option. The design is the same as the olive green with a textured pattern. The latest color of the kit has a silver color side frame. The camera handle features a two-stage camera button and a zoom lever that is also in silver. It comes with a lanyard as 67mm adapter ring and a lens cover to protect the camera from dust and scratches. The accessories connect wirelessly with the phone through Bluetooth 5.0 and charge via the USB Type-C port. It features a nano lens skin texture that can provide a premium feel and extra layer protection for the device. This is around RMB 999. It's already available for purchase. It is compatible with some other phones such as Oppo Find X6 Pro, Vivo X90 Pro Plus, Huawei Mate 50 Pro and the Meizu 20